In my NHS clinic, I often see women after having a baby with bladder control issues or leakage, which can have real issues on day-to-day life, exercise, or even picking up their baby. These can happen straight away, postnatally, or sometimes many years later. I believe that the best way to treat this is to get to the core of the problem and treat the pelvic floor. Most women do know about pelvic floor exercises, but sometimes lack the confidence to do them correctly or effectively to get the results that they want. And this is why I often suggest and signpost to the MUTU system. MUTU is an online program designed to restore pelvic health. A study conducted by the NHS has shown it's safe and effective, and in 97% of women that they can find, locate and engage their pelvic floor within 3 weeks of doing it. MUTU are offering a free 10-day trial for you to sign up, give it a go, and see if it's the right option for you.